What if I told you that one of the most advanced car factories in the world isn't in Germany, not in the US, and not even in China, it's in India. And inside this massive facility, thousands of vehicles are built every single day. SUVs, electric vehicles, and future-ready machines that are starting to challenge global giants like Tesla and BYD. This is Mahindra's Chakan plant. And today, we're taking you inside, away from the spotlight of Tesla, BYD, and legacy Western automakers. Mahindra & Mahindra has been quietly building something massive. Not just cars, but a complete manufacturing ecosystem designed for the future. Located near Pune, India, the Chakan facility isn't just a factory. It's a 700-acre production powerhouse where cutting-edge robotics, AI systems, and human expertise come together. And what's happening inside this plant might surprise you. The scale of the factory. Let's start with the scale. This isn't your typical car plant. We're talking about over 700 acres. That's large enough to fit entire small towns inside. Inside this space, Mahindra produces everything from popular SUVs like the XUV 700 and Scorpio off-road icons like the Thar. And now, next-generation electric vehicles. At full capacity, this plant can produce over 7.5 lakh vehicles per year, around 2,000 vehicles every single day. Think about that. Every few minutes, a brand new car rolls off the line. EV transformation begins. But here's where things get interesting. Mahindra isn't just building traditional vehicles anymore. In 2025, the company launched a dedicated EV production facility inside this plant. This new section alone spans 88,000 square meters, focused entirely on electric vehicles and battery assembly models. Like BE.6 X EV9E are already being produced here. And this is just the beginning. Industry 4.0 technology. Now let's go inside the real heart of the factory. This is where Mahindra is playing a completely different game. The Chakan plant is built on Industry 4.0 principles, meaning everything is connected, automated, and data-driven. Here's what that looks like. 1,000 plus robots working across the facility. Over 500 robots in the body shop alone, AI-powered inspection systems, real-time monitoring using IoT sensors. These robots don't just assemble parts. They weld, measure, scan, and correct errors instantly. In fact, some systems are so advanced they can detect a defect before it even becomes a problem. The production process. Let's break down how a car is actually built here. 1. Press shop steel sheets are transformed into car parts like doors and panels using automated machines. 2. Body shop. Hundreds of robots weld these parts together with extreme precision. 3. Paint shop robots apply paint evenly, reducing waste and ensuring a flawless finish. 4. Assembly line. This is where everything comes together. Engine, interior, electronics, wheels. 5. Final inspection. Every vehicle goes through strict quality checks before leaving the plant. The result? Consistent quality, every single time. EV battery technology. Now let's talk about the most important part of any EV, the battery. Inside the EV section, Mahindra has built one of the most compact and advanced battery assembly lines. This system uses blade cell technology, known for higher safety, better energy efficiency, space optimization. The process includes cell stacking, module assembly, full battery pack integration. Everything is automated. Every battery is tested for temperature resistance, vibration, impact safety. No faulty unit moves forward. Production, capacity, and future growth. Right now, the EV facility can produce around 90,000 EVs per year. But that number is expected to grow to 120,000 EVs annually. And that's not all. By 2028, Mahindra aims to cross 1 million total vehicles per year. That's a massive leap. Human workforce. Now, despite all this automation, the factory still relies heavily on people. Thousands of employees work here across 3 shifts, morning, afternoon, night. What's impressive is the diversity. Women make up a significant portion of the workforce. Up to 50% in some assembly lines, employees are trained extensively in safety robotics, EV systems, quality control. This isn't just labor. It's a skilled workforce built for the future, sustainability and green energy. Here's something you don't hear often about factories. This plant is 100% powered by renewable energy. Yes, solar and wind power run the entire operation. Even more impressive, the plant is water positive. It returns more water to the environment than it consumes. Waste is minimized. Recycling is maximized. This isn't just manufacturing, it's sustainable manufacturing. Global impact vehicles built here aren't just for India. They're exported globally. That means cars made in this plant are competing on an international level. And with the rise of EVs, Mahindra is positioning itself as a serious global player. Future strategy. Looking ahead, Mahindra has a clear plan. Launch multiple new EVs, expand production capacity, focus heavily on SUVs and electric vehicles, strengthen global presence. Upcoming models like Thar. Yai X EV7. ESA will also be built here. This plant is not just part of the company, it is the future of the company. So the next time you see a Mahindra SUV on the road, just remember, it may have been built inside one of the most advanced factories in the world. A place where machines, technology, and human skill come together to shape the future of mobility. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to subscribe to US Finance Wire and hit the bell icon so you never miss what's next. Because the future of cars is changing fast, and we're here to break it down for you.